But what is the sound of a healthy heart? I have this stethoscope here, and with it, I can listen to your heartbeat, and I can actually tell a lot about you if I were to listen to your heartbeat. I can hear the rhythm of your heart, the kind of sort of the tempo and the speed of your heart. I can tell that there's a strong and there is a weak. And if I have the right training and experience, I can actually even tell things about your heart that might be indicating that you're headed for trouble. Now, to be fair, I don't actually have the experience or the training to really use this tool very well, but that's okay. I am a licensed pastor, so everybody can just relax and be totally comfortable, right?